Hi friends, this is Lokesh Babu. Welcome to my channel Lokesh Maths Hub. Thank you for watching my videos. So today this is my fourth lecture in Unit 2. So my topic is BTech Mathematics Unit 2 Matrices in this eigenvalues and eigenvectors. In Unit 2 I completed 3 lectures. In lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3, I discussed about the definitions of Hermitian matrix, Q-Hermitian matrix, and eigenmatrix, characteristic equation, eigenvalue, and eigenvectors. So, before watching this video, this lecture, please watch the previous lectures 1, 2, 3. Then you can understand this lecture very clearly, right? So this is very important lecture today. In this I am going to tell how to find the eigenvalue and eigenvectors. Now, so I will tell you one easy method to find the eigenvalues in this. Now, before going to find this eigenvalue, I will give you some 4 formulas, very important formulas. The first one is, let A be a square matrix of order 2 by 2. Let A be a square matrix of order 2 by 2. Then we can find the eigenvalues lambda 1 and lambda 2 by using one formula. That formula is lambda square minus s1 lambda plus s2 equal to 0. Right? If A is a 2 by 2 square matrix, then we can find or we can obtain the eigenvalues of this A by using this formula, where this S1 is the sum of the principal diagonal elements, right? And here S2 is the determinant of the given matrix A. S1 is the sum of the principal diagonal elements and S2 is the determinant of the matrix A. Next, second formula. Let A be a square matrix of order 3 by 3. Then you will get 3 eigenvalues, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. We can obtain these eigenvalues by using this formula, lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 equal to 0, where in this s1 is same, it is sum of the elements of the principal diagonal, right? Or sum of the principal diagonal elements, sum of the elements of principal diagonal, sum of the elements of the principal diagonal. And S2 is the sum of the minors of the principal diagonal, See, for example, this is a matrix. Let us suppose these are the principal diagonal elements. Then S1 is the sum of these principal diagonal elements, and S2 is the sum of the minors of this. Minors of means you find the minor of this by eliminating this row and this, and minor of this by eliminating this, and minor of this by eliminating this, like that. And S3 is the determinant of this given matrix. S3 is the determinant of the given matrix. Next, third formula, the sum of the eigenvalues, it means lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3. This is nothing but the sum of the principal diagonal elements, and fourth one is the product of the eigenvalues, that is lambda 1 into lambda 2 into lambda 3 is nothing but the determinant of the given matrix, right? These are the 4 formulas. If A is a matrix of order 2 by 2, then use this formula to find the eigenvalues. And if A is a square matrix of order 3 by 3, then lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 equal to 0, where s1 is the sum of the elements of the principal diagonal, s2 is the sum of the minors of the principal diagonal element, and s3 is the determinant of the matrix, right? And sum of the eigenvalues is equal to sum of the principal diagonal elements, and the product of the eigenvalues is equal to determinant of A, right? Now by using this, let us solve some problems, that is how to find the eigenvalues, right? Let's see one problem. Let A equal to 5, 4, 1, 2. I am taking 2 by 2 matrix. In general, you can find by using the characteristic equation also. A minus lambda I equal to 0 is the characteristic equation. By using this characteristic equation means 5 minus lambda, 4, 1, 2 minus lambda equal to 0, you can find the answer. But I will tell you in a different way, that is by previous formula. Since it is a 2 by 2 matrix, right, 2 by 2 matrix, the order 2 by 2, then we can find the eigenvalues by using the formula lambda square minus s1 lambda plus s2 equal to 0, where s1 is the sum of the principal diagonal element. What is 7? Lambda square minus 7 lambda plus s2. S2 is the S1 is the sum of the principal diagonal elements, and S2 is the determinant of A. Now what is the determinant of A? S2 equal to, say here, 5, 4, 1, 2. This is 10 minus 4 equal to 6. So write down just simply 6 equal to 0. This implies, so find the solution or roots of this equation. We can find 6 into 1, 6, right? 6 into 1, 6 you can write, and this is 6 ones are 6, and minus into minus plus. By adding this you should get this, by multiplying you should get 6, by adding you should get minus 7, right, and by multiplying this. Now by splitting this, lambda square minus 7 lambda, I can write 6 lambda minus lambda plus 6 equal to 0. This implies lambda common, lambda minus 6 minus 1 common, lambda minus 6 equal to 0. This implies lambda minus 6 and lambda minus 1 equal to 0. This implies lambda equal to 6 and lambda equal to 1. So these are the eigenvalues by using this formula, right? Now by using these eigenvalues, now let us find the eigenvector, right? So you know the definition of eigenvector. If x is any non-zero vector, then such that Ax equal to lambda x, then that is called the, then x is called the eigenvector, right? Now this is nothing but a eigen matrix A minus lambda I into x is equal to 0 is the matrix equation. Now I can write A minus lambda I. What is A minus lambda I in this? 5 minus lambda, 4, 1, 2 minus lambda. This is A minus lambda I, right? A minus lambda I, 5 minus lambda, 4, 1, 2 minus lambda into x. X is, I am taking let x1, x2, which is equal to 0 and 0, right? Now see, let us two cases. In case 1, what is case 1? If lambda equal to 1 I am taking. If lambda is 1 in this, then what is this? 5 minus 1, 4, 4, 1, 2 minus 1 is 1 into x1, x2 equal to 0, 0. See here directly with 4x1 plus 4x2 and 1x1, two equations, you will get two equations here. By solving two equations also we can find, but I can change this into echelon form, then such that I can get easily answer. See, to change the into echelon form, I want to make this as 0 by using the formula R2 is 4R2 minus R1, right? 4R2 minus R1. What is this? 4, 4, 4r2 minus r1. 4r2 means 4 minus 4 0, 4 minus 4 0. This is 0 and 0 into x1 x2 which is equal to 0 0. This implies what I can write, 4x1 plus 4x2 equal to 0. Here what is the rank? Rank equal to only 1. Number of variables are 2. So you can choose n minus r. It means 2 minus 1 and 1 variable. You can choose one arbitrary constant, right? So therefore what I will take, let x2 equal to, I am taking some k, then this is 4x1 equal to minus 4x2, 4 cancel, x1 equal to minus x2, that is minus k, x1 is minus k, x2 is plus k. Therefore first vector, eigenvector x1 equal to, here x1 and x2, that is x1 is minus k and plus k, take k common, you will get minus 1 and plus 1. So this is the first eigenvector. So if lambda equal to 1, you are getting this is the first eigenvector. Next, if lambda equal to 6, next case 2, you can find if lambda equal to 6. If lambda equal to 6, you substitute in this, again in this a minus lambda I, this is, what is this, a minus lambda I into x equal to a minus lambda I, 5 minus 6, 4 1 2 minus 6 into x1 x2 which is equal to 0 0, right? This implies 5 minus 6 is minus 1, 4 1, this is minus 4 into x1 x2 which is equal to 0 0. Now again I want to change echelon form, then r2 is, I am going to change r2 plus r1, then it will become minus 1 4 0 0 and x1 x2 which is equal to 0 0, right? Now what is this? Minus x1 plus 4x2 equal to 0 implies minus x1 equal to minus 4x2, minus minus cancel, x1 equal to 4x2. See here also rank is 1, number of variables are 2, so n minus r variable 2 minus 1, one variable you can choose, that is, let I am taking x2 equal to some k, then x1 equal to 4k. Therefore our x2 variable is, x2 vector is x1 x2, that equal to x1 is 4k and k, then take common k, 4 comma 1, this is the second vector, right? Okay, so from this what we can understand, by using eigenvalue you can find eigenvector. So this is the simple technique to find eigenvalue and eigenvector. Okay, so I think you understood how to find the eigenvalue and eigenvector, right? So if you like this lecture, please share, and for updated videos please subscribe my channel. Thank you.